Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional email signature in Gmail, step by step. A clean email signature helps your business look more trustworthy, organized, and professional. This full guide for 2026 works for freelancers, business owners, and office teams. First, open Gmail and click the Settings gear icon. Choose See All Settings to access your customization options. In the General tab, scroll down to the Signature section. Click Create New and name your signature. Add your full name, job title, company name, and contact details. Keep it clean and simple. Use basic formatting. Bold your name, choose readable fonts, and avoid too many colors. Yeah, simple always looks professional. Optionally, add a company logo or social links, but keep images small and relevant. Set your signature to appear on new emails and replies. This keeps your emails consistent. Save changes and send a test email to yourself. Avoid quotes, emojis, or clutter. Your email signature represents your brand. And yeah, that's how to create a professional email signature in Gmail step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.